In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to change scenes, change your voice, play music, stop music, all on the Elgato Stream Deck. Let's get it. So what comes in a box for the Elgato Stream Deck is the Stream Deck and a holder that you could put it on. So first and foremost, you need to hook up the Stream Deck to your computer. And after you hook up the Stream Deck to your computer, you want to take yourself to the Elgato webpage, and then you want to hit downloads. Once you hit downloads, they will ask you to select your product. Doesn't really matter. Scroll down, because it definitely matters. Stream Deck. Doesn't really matter. They all use the exact same software, and make sure it's either for Windows or Mac OS. Yeah, this is basically going to set it up. All you got to do is download this software. Once you download this software, installing everything, you will be brought to this page. Yours won't look like this. This is mine right now. As you can see, I have a record button, have a go live, one that gets rid of my cam and keeps it on, one that mutes my mic right now, and then it brings it back on. Have a camera only, YouTube chat button that shows up within my live stream, my PS5, PC, Star Stream, just chatting screen. Yeah, it's I got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, decent amount of things within mine. But when you start yours up, you will be brought to default profile, and it will just look like this. Now, everything you need is on the right. Oh, I forgot I don't have my what's name, so I gotta take my camera off of here. Naturally, click it off, boom. If you're looking to buy you a Stream Deck right now, click the link in the description. Let's get back to the video. Everything you need will be over here, where you want to get your scenes from, and everything else will be over here. So first and foremost, let's get it to change scenes. So let's say you are in OBS or Streamlabs. They have both. Twitter, they have a lot of things you can use, but now this is just to change. Whether you want to change the actual scene, you will drag it over here. Boom, name it whatever you want. I'm going to say just chatting. Go to my just chatting screen. And then we're going to add another one for the actual scene. Boom. Thing about this is you can click the plus down here. Boom. You can bring up, they have different libraries, like dozens of libraries where you can choose what do you want to show up on these buttons. I recommend, you know what I'm saying? I recommend you pick ones that you're going to remember. And if you don't want any of those, they have more in here. They're all free. So yeah, I would definitely say take advantage of that. But for now, we're not going to pick anything. Just name it what we're going to name it. And then boom, scene. So the actual live scene is what we want for this one. And then for the just chatting, we want it, the title to be just chatting, the collection, whatever the collection is you're in, and the actual scene to be just chatting. So now we press scene, we're on the scene. Press just chatting, we're on just chatting. I don't know why my overlay doing the craziness, but boom, back onto scene. Wow. That is how you set it up to change actual scenes. And you can set it up to get things within your scene, which is a source. So let's name this one the camera. Boom, camera. Camera within what scene? My live scene. What do I want it to be? My camera. I'm pretty sure I'm in webcam too. Boom. So now when I press it, boom, I'm back. I'm gone. I'm back. It's as simple as that. So whether it's a source or a scene, you figure out what that is, you put it there, and make sure you have the correct scene located for what source. And if you want to control your microphone, you go over to mixer audio, wow, you drag that source, and the source will be the mic. So when you press thing, boom, you bring it back. And yes, you can do that for all of your audio sources. As you can see, any audio source within the whole collection you can do that with. So whether it's the game audio, the YouTube audio, you can control all of the audio within this. And now I will teach you how to turn it into, what am I trying to say? How to turn it into a soundboard where you can get it to play multiple sounds that's within. Yeah, so now I will show you how to use your Stream Deck as a soundboard. So what you want to do is right here, soundboard, play, stop audio. You want to click play audio, drag, wow, drop it in. So the action will be play and stop. You can have it be play and stop, play and overlap, so it can multiply do it, loop and stop, or play and restart when you press the button. The second one is what's going to happen when you press the button the second time. So we're just going to have it be play and stop in the title. I'll figure out the title later. let's go into my desktop where I have all of my YouTube sound. Let's scroll until I can find YouTube video sound effects. Boom. So I guess we could just do, hold on, it's a lot. I got one error sound effect. Wow. Okay, so now every time I press this button, that will happen. I'll press it once, it'll do that. I press it in the midst of pressing it, it'll stop. As you can hear at that. So yeah, it's really that simple, no lie. And like I said, you can add as many sounds as you want. You can have music playing. In the case you was wondering, can it play and stop music? Same thing as having a sound effect. You go to the track, you find where you keep it. Go to my beats, have a beat there, and stop. You can have it no fade, or you can have it fade out. Fire, you can have multiple tracks, and you can have that loop. So at the end of it, you can just have it loop so it continuously plays. And when you want to stop it, you can stop it. Just make sure you have the sounds that you want to use. Maybe you downloaded them. If you grabbing the sound from YouTube, just download it, put it all in a folder, and go to that folder to add the sound into here, and you will be good. And in order to use it as a voice changer, you have to download this program called VoiceMod. Type in your email, continue with email, and they're going to email you a code. You put that in. Don't know why all of this foolishness is necessary. What am I in? Microsoft Edge? Ew. Once you do that, you run your setup. Okay, boom. I'm using the Go XLR, so that's how I change my voice. But in case you don't have a Go XLR, this is something you can also do to change your voice. So we're going to launch VoiceMod. As it starts up right now, boom. Select the microphone that you're using. I'm using chat mic within my Go XLR. My speaker is system within my Go XLR. Boom. I could make it so I can hear myself. It'll basically be doubled right here. We don't want that. No. And we click OK. All done. Yo. Say something epic. Boom. So. And they talking about a little deal, whatever. Period. Whatever that's talking about. So how to do this within OBS is you want to go to OBS. Boom. I brought it up. You want to make sure that your microphone within OBS it's not your regular microphone. You want to make sure that it is, where is it? Microphone, VoiceMod virtual audio device. Now that is the microphone that is being used, and we could bring back up the stream deck. Wow. Let's go to our scene. So let's go to VoiceMod and voice changer. Let's drag it over. In fact, let's drag over 3 of them. I'll make one of them be clean, so it'll be the clean audio. I'll make one be like a cave. And then we're gonna have another one be magic chords. That being said, we got the clean audio in now. We can go to the cave audio right now. As we press cave, back to clean to turn it off. Or we can go to this. Or you can press clean. Like I said, it's really simple. It's that simple. That's how you can change your voice within your stream. And last but certainly not least, you can save these things. So all of that is saved to my profile 1. So I can go, my default profile is my thing. So as you can see, it's still recording. But everything I just did is saved in profile 1. You can have multiple profiles. And you can switch between these while you are live, because I'm literally recording right now. Same thing as being live, and I can switch between them with, you know what I'm saying, the click of a button, and everything still works perfectly fine. And same if I went back to here and did the same thing, perfectly fine. So that is how you use your stream deck. Basically, that's how you use it, to switch scenes, and to, you know what I'm saying, sound effect, everything. That's basically how you use it. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe. Let me know if you need anything else. I'm out. Peace.